Hey folks, the job at hand today is coolant flush and change for the KLR. Let's get to it. Looks like I'm getting water and coolant out of the weep hole, which ideally means I should replace the mechanical water pump seal. However, I'm not about to drop that much money on some new parts right now, so I'm just gonna swap out the coolant. If it's full of oil, maybe I'll reconsider, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Here's one thing that not enough people know about. So this is a JIS, Japanese International Standard screwdriver. Looks like Phillips, but it's not. If you don't use one of these, whenever you're working on Japanese things like motorcycles, you're gonna strip all the screws. You're gonna think they're shitty screws, but they're not shitty screws. They're JIS screws, not Phillips. Use the right tool for the job, at least in this case. It's orange. I'm not used to orange. Okay, so here's the thing. The bike has these crash bars installed, which are nice if you're going off-road. And they've got highway bars, or highway pegs. These were installed by the previous owner. The thing is, though, if you want to be able to access the radiator cap, they've got to come off. I think I'm going to take them off and leave them off because I'm going on a road trip this summer through New Mexico and Texas. And I might need to access the cooling system. So let's get them off. Blueberry bread is ready. This little bolt right here is giving me the hardest time. What I'm gonna do is just cut it off and replace it. I'm gonna have to pull the headlight shroud though. Here's hoping I didn't nick the radiator, huh? Alright. Okay, let's take a look at some of this coolant. Could have sworn I put green coolant in there about 2 years ago. Not all bad, but not totally what you want to be seeing. Okay, let's flush it. The coolant system. Okay, let's try it again. Still not great. But this is stuff also that was just at the bottom of the jar anyway. I'd say that's good enough. Okay. Looks like the drain plug didn't have a crush washer on it. So let's see if I have anything. Guess not. Found the crush washer. Right there. So the KLR takes 1.3 liters of coolant. Let's do 2.5 of these. It's good enough to drink. And then here's the 0.3. Right onto the ground. Okay, let's try this again. Fill it out about a third of the way. The radiator's at a good level. The overflow tank is at the right level. Let's get our button back. Okay, last step. Let's get this mess cleaned up. Okay, so as of now, the motorcycle has new turn signals, new front sprocket, new chain, oil change, filter change, rear brake pads, front brake pads, rear brake fluid flush, front brake fluid flush, coolant flush, upgraded headlight, new front and rear tires. And I've just made this heat shield too, so my saddlebags will stop melting. So this is a blueberry bread that I made with mayonnaise instead of eggs and butter. It actually came out super moist and tender and delicious, so definitely recommend trying it.